Welcome to the Vantage booth. We are here at IBIE, booth number 1917, with Andrea and Adam. So, Vantage is the industry's leader in marketing customized solutions for food processing. How has your company really helped bakers in customized solutions, and how does your products help them produce baked goods?
Our bakers are having so many issues today, right? So many challenges between labor shortages and just increased costs and ingredient shortages. And so by the time that you get to the point of production, it's so important just to be maximized on efficiency, reduce waste. And what we do is we kind of come in and take a look at your processes and create solutions that help to optimize the work that you're doing.
So what are some ways release agents can help increase sustainability and efficiency in the overall baking process?
So that's so exciting because the release agents really help to, if used properly, reduce water. You get higher yields because you don't have as much waste coming off the line.
Yeah, no burn-on crusts and seeds to worry about.
Right.
Absolutely. How has Vantage Foods application equipment changed over the years?
So I'm going to start, Adam, if you don't mind, because we're so excited about this too. Bakers have been telling us over the years what they really want and need in their bakeries. And so we've developed innovation to specifically help them in their processes. And we've just released some new technology in our bread pan oiler, our BPO 3001.
Wow.
And Adam, do you want to talk about that a little?
Yes, absolutely. Like Andrew said, we're so excited to talk about this. And she made the key point, it's technology. The technology has changed, and we see it in everyday parts of our life. Mm-hmm. It changes so fast. Mm-hmm. And the baking industry is at the forefront of technology. And so the 3001 is a response to the consumers and what they're demanding from the bakeries.
Right. So that confuses certain people because they don't know about that. Do you sell the oil or do you sell the equipment?
So we sell both. We are a total solutions provider. We come in, we have engineering services, field services, we have release agent packages, and we have multiple versions of equipment, whether it's oilers, cake pan greasers, small scale equipment options. We try to provide solutions that can fit almost all the needs of small bakeries that are just starting up to mid-size to the biggest bakeries that are global.
So you say that your equipment provides a peace of mind. How does the Mallet 3001 bread pan oiler notify bakeries that it needs attention?
Great question, and I'm glad you said peace of mind, because that's something that we're really trying to promote and get our customers to understand. One thing that we know that bakeries are facing right now are staffing challenges, and they're having staffing shortages. They can't have staff everywhere across the bakery. They can't have staff monitoring the 3001 bread pan oiler at all times. So what we integrated in was a sensing system and a package where it lets the customer know via an in-house email or text message distribution if the bread pan oiler is experiencing issues and not oiling pans. So rather than them learning about the issue at the depanner hundreds and hundreds of loaves later where they have waste they have to dispose of, they know in real time, immediate time. Their in-house staff learns of it. They can come and address it within minutes and solve the problem. Yes, we can. We can absolutely do that. Yeah. We can show a test run of it, and then we can also show the problem.
Okay. All right. What do we have here with the light?
Yeah, Lynn, what we're looking at is the flashing indicator. It's one of the 3 indicators that are going to communicate to the plant staff that the oiler is having issues. Mm-hmm. And as you can see with this pan coming through next, it does not have any oil through it. Mm-hmm. But the biggest communication that is going to be the game changer for the plants is the email communication that they get in real time that you can see here.
Oh, very cool.
So it doesn't matter if your engineers are on the floor and can see the visual light.
Wow, that's amazing. You need more oil in there. Get over. Put in more oil. Now, does the engineer then immediately knows that it is the oiler, or is it an equipment malfunction? Is it out of oil? Or...
They don't know because there's so many variables.
Yeah.
But with these big advanced plants and the technology we have in this system, they have the ability to open up on their computer the controls for this, touch a button, and shut it down before they even walk onto the plant floor.
All right, thank you. How does the bread pan oil extend the life of glazed pans?
The release agent, when it's applied to the pan properly, actually coats the pan. So any divots or crevices in those pans that naturally occur during a manufacturing process, they kind of get coated and evened out really nicely. And then the product that you're manufacturing does not get stuck in those pans. So it actually helps to elongate the life of the pans.
Okay, how does that work with non-stick coating?
So
like
that's
Teflon.
That's such a great question,
Yeah.
because a lot of times the question too is why would you use Teflon? Like, we're using Teflon, we don't
Yeah.
need a release agent.
Don't need oil.
No,
Right.
and so they really complement each other really beautifully, because again, it kind of smooths out those crevices and those sharp edges in the pan that want to catch the food that you're making. So they work great together.
That's awesome. How can customers with the previous versions of the bread pan oiler work with this new version?
Yeah, that is absolutely something we considered when we developed this technology. So starting this year and moving forward, we're going to be offering an upgrade package where you can put the 3001 communication technology into our older models. It's going to be our older models of bread pan oilers as well as our cake pan greasers. So we can bring that peace of mind to customers that have already invested in one of our solutions.
That's really awesome, because current bakers who have your system already don't need to overhaul the entire thing and get a pretty good update with the email alerts. That's awesome. Hey, everyone, come over to the Vantage booth at 1917 and talk to Adam and Andrea and ask them about all your sticky bread questions. All right? Or sticky cake questions. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you, Lynn.